Hi everyone, this is Rune Refinery. We've got a new design to show you today. It is black and white hybrid carbon fiber. We've got a nice beautiful plate here in front of us, and we're going to show you a little secret. This is based on the most popular design that we've ever offered, and we changed the glow so it glows a little bit different of a color. So we hope you like the build process and let us know what you think about it and if we should do more colors of this design. The first step is to put the carbon fiber plate on the drill press and cut it out with a diamond hole saw. We try to cut it as close to size so it saves us some time on the lathes. After we got the blank cut, we put it on the lathe and we're going to do the outside, and we're going to start with a heavy 80 grit. After we have the exterior done, we do the inside, same exact sandpaper, but we hand shape the inside, and we do both sides with a nice comfort fit so it feels good to wear. Now that the ring is done, you can see how the final result looks, and it has a really cool black and white hybrid carbon which has really unique stripes all the way around the exterior of the ring, as well as a cool pattern on the side walls of the ring. Now what's unique about this ring is we have glow layered in here just like the matrix carbon fiber rings, right into the layers of hybrid carbon, which illuminate blue and create a very, very pretty glow. What we were able to accomplish with this ring is that we were able to take blue glow, which is the third brightest glowing color, just behind green and aqua. We were able to boost its glow potential to almost be as bright as green and aqua. It's brighter than most of our other blue glow colors, just because of how we were able to engineer this particular material. So we're really excited about it because it glows brighter and longer than most of the blue carbon fiber rings that we offer. One more thing, we'd love to know what other colors you'd like us to develop. We plan on rolling out some additional colors of this design in the future, and we'd love to know what you'd like us to do. That's it for now. We out.